Hello and welcome to Eli Eden Creative. This is Pamela. Today I have pulled this video from the archives. It's found footage on my phone from the cold season. I was gathering up all of my prints that I had made on the gel press, and I had all of these things hanging up on the refrigerator and on various magnetic whiteboards and things like that. Anyways, long story short, I ended up tearing this one and feeling super frustrated about it. So right now I'm just sort of like mending it with some washi tape, hoping that it makes it better. But of course it's not going to be the same as before. So these are some of my prints that I've done. These are dragonflies that I created. I sometimes use these rice papers for covering journals. These, I guess I decided I want to share all of the prints. This is a study that I did for Magdalena Carmen Frida Kahlo y Calderon, and I've just been studying her. There's a couple pieces. Here's another one. This is made out of just copy paper, and it's not as precious to me just because it is just regular copy paper. It's not like a special rice paper. So I am just going to use some washi tape and fix this as well. This print will probably end up in a craft pack for somebody for one of their creative journals. But yeah, I did a little study on Ms. Calderon, and really am enjoying that time. So I'm just trimming this tape so it doesn't stick to any of my other pieces. That would not be good. I'm trying not to do harm. I'm trying to fix here. So there's the Mexican painter. This is one of my first pieces of hers. I really enjoy the color. This was done on a gel press with just a copy of like a drawing of Ms. Calderon. This is one that I did for Orange Shirt Day in Canada. I need to redo this. It didn't work out as I wanted it to. It ripped. And I also have the seasons in the wrong direction. That's the thing about being on a gel press. You kind of have to work backwards and upside down. So I might cut this dress out and put it in a different configuration. Yeah. And these are fall leaves. I love to try to do yearly. I did miss last year, but the maple leaves. So I love to capture the fall's leaves, autumn's leaves on the ground. These are ferns from our garden. I'll probably use that in another piece. And these are some fun stencils that I created and just played with. I love the way these things turned out. Kind of see maybe using some of these things in fabrics or papers, maybe wallpapers. Pretty bold. That would be fairly bold, wouldn't it? But another dragonfly piece. I very much like it. Yes, I love the dragonflies. This one was a kind of a study in fire and water, or ice. I was really in with the oranges and the magentas and the reds and then the blues. I really love the way it turned out. Here's another one of my stencils and just playing with color and texture. This one was a happy accident. I was having a hard time with this one, but it turned out way happier and way better than I thought. And it's almost like a magical fairy portal here. I love the way this turned out. This one here, it was a happy accident too. I was making something for a gift, and this is what was left on the gel press, and it turned out really cool. There's more of those dragonflies, more of the maple leaves, but we have black on there. Ooh, this is my cat. This is my cat. I had a dream about her before I got her, and that was the dream. This is one that'll probably end up in a journal pack. And this is inspired by a concert. So I hope you enjoyed looking at these art pieces with me. If you're interested in checking out my work and staying connected, please like, follow, and all those things. Ta-ra!